Hi there, boys and girls. I am here to read your last chapter of our text core book, Bugs in Their Ecosystems. So we are on to the last question that we have been answering about bugs. And the last question is, what might happen to the ecosystem if this bug were removed permanently? What should humans do to make sure this doesn't happen? So what are the impacts that your bug has? So over here. So here we go. So I'm on page 48, chapter 6. And if you want to follow along in your book or just listen to what I'm going to read, here we go. Pest control. Some insects help people and other living things by eating pests. Without these helpful insects, there would be too many pests. Ladybugs to the rescue. Ladybugs are useful insects because they eat aphids. Aphids are tiny insects that suck the juices of plants. Some people believe aphids are pests because aphids eat the plants that people grow. Aphids also feed on milkweeds, which are important foods for other insects. By eating aphids, ladybugs prevent plants from being damaged. So here's a picture of aphids. They're teeny tiny little bugs, and you can see that they're attached to some kind of plant there. It says these aphids are sucking the juice from a milkweed. When the milkweed juices are gone, the plant dies. So therefore, that is why our ladybugs are important. Food for caterpillars. Monarch butterflies lay their eggs only on milkweed leaves. Caterpillars hatched from the eggs they were laid by the monarch butterflies. Monarch caterpillars eat only milkweed. And here's a picture of a monarch caterpillar. And it says monarch caterpillars need to eat milkweed so they can become monarch butterflies. Helping monarchs. Ladybugs help monarch butterflies and caterpillars by eating aphids. Without ladybugs, there might not be enough places for monarch butterflies to lay eggs. Monarch caterpillars would not have enough milkweed to eat. So we learned a lot about ladybugs and how they help our environment and how they help us in our society, in our world, I guess it could be our society. But I want you to think about your bug. And if your bug were to be extinct, to be disappeared, gone out of this earth, what would happen? Would we still have certain plants? Would we have certain animals? So I want you to think about that and get ready for an activity.